guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a slime collection. Even though I already did one of these before, I got a new slime. And I know I only got one new slime, and it's like horrible. It's horrible. And I actually didn't buy it or get it, I made it. So, yeah. So, also, I made a slime earlier today, but I lost it. I put it in, like, this juicy fruit tin, and I don't know where it went, but it's lost. So, yeah, but, I actually put this in a Flarp container, my new slime, because my brother, he had Flarp. He had a green one, and it got all dried out and disgusting. So I just used this container. But anyways, let's get to the video. So my first slime is this orange slime. This is probably one of my favorites instead of the pink one too. I'll show you some poking noises. Okay, so that was here's the stretch. So now that was that orange one, and this is one of my favorites. I have another favorite, but this is one of my favorites. So yeah. Oh, and also I have it in this cute little red container. My second slime that I have is this pink one. This is also one of my favorites. This pink one right here. And it's in this cute clear container that has this white lid. This one had a red lid. And, oh yes. And actually, this slime has beads in it. I added these beads to it I thought it would look cool and pretty. And I was actually just on my phone with Sienna, but I had to hang up so I can do this video. So there's all the beads in it. And I'll show you guys the stretch. This is like my top favorite one because it has the beads in it, and I love the beads. They're so pretty. Okay. So now we're going to put that away. My third slime I have is this blue one right here. And this one is Flarp, but I feel like my original slimes that I made are way better. That's this one, the Flarp that I got. This is my one that I made a couple days ago, but this is my brother's Flarp container. This one is horrible. I don't want to show it, but this one is so bad, you guys. Like, I don't know what I did to this. It's horrible. Ready? That's all the stretch this one has. So bad, guys. Also, okay, that was my fourth one. But also, guess what? Sienna made slime! With, like, laundry detergent and glue, I think. Yay! Alright, I'm gonna put those back in there. And also, guys, I filmed a video before playing in the snow. Yeah. But I'm going to film a video with her tonight. changing her into her sleeper, into her pajamas. No, they actually are pajamas. But yeah, so anyways, guys, also next Saturday, me and Sienna might be having a play date, and she's going to be coming over here. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that. But anyways, thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and in the comments down below, let me know what videos would you guys like me to do next, and what was your favorite slime? The pink one with beads in it. The plain orange one that's very noisy. The blue flarp one that I bought at the store, that's not really too noisy. Or this horrible one that I made that has sparkles in it. Me. So yeah. Anyways, guys, bye-bye, and I love